Yeah, this is David Talbot, and I'm CTO at WorkMovr. Inventory transactions. We only allow inventory balances to be updated with a transaction. And so the inventory units, usage, and potential losses are documented with audit trails. And this is quite straightforward. So if we have, for instance, in the inventory master, a filter pack, 10 units on order, and then we create an inventory transaction to receive 5 units. And here's the transaction here, filter pack item received 5 units. And so you look back in the inventory master and you see that the on order quantity has gone down to 5 and the on hand quantities gone up by 5. And because we use this quite a lot, because you want to update 2 records in such a transaction here, and Caspio only allows you to update a single record with a data page, we use APIs to update the inventory master. Okay, so the inventory transaction is done with the data page, inventory master is done with APIs. So thank you very much.